Hey, this is Brian with Treasure Locks. I wanted to do a quick video to show you how to log into your account. It's a question that we're getting from people because we just changed a lot of stuff on the website and everything is kind of new. So what I want to do today is just show you real quick how do you get logged into your account and what happens once you get there. So from any screen on our website, once you get to the site, you want to go up to the upper right and you'll see where it says My Account. When you mouse over that, you'll see a Sign In. If you have an account with us, which hopefully you already do, you just click Sign In. If you need to register for an account, you can register for an account there also. So just click on Sign In. Go ahead and fill in your email address and your password. If you've forgotten your password, click on the link and we'll send you a password reset. There's a Forgot Your Password link here, and you just want to click on Sign In. It's really that simple. Once you're signed in, you'll see any past orders you've had with us. You can click on the order itself. You can reorder by clicking on the items that you want to reorder, and then just click the reorder button, and you're logged in. So that's real quick on how to get logged into the account. Well, I'll do some other videos that talk to you about why you might want to log into your account. But this is a way where you can see everything that you've got going on in terms of orders, any messages we've had back and forth, etc. Thanks for listening and have a great day.